Hello students, today we will start with new chapter 8 fractions. First we understand what is half. When something is divided into two equal parts, each part is called half. Okay? If we divide this apple in two equal parts, this part is called half and this another is also called half. We write as 1 by 2 in mathematical and read as 1 by 2. Okay. Now exercise 8.1, shade half of the following figures. There are 4 figures and we have to shade half portion of each figure. Okay. Now if we shade first half, so we have to shade this part. Okay. Like this. Okay. And another we have to shade this one also. You can shade this one or this one. If we shade this part, okay, you can use the color to shade the figures. Okay, you have to do all 4 questions. Now what is quarter? Now if we divide something in 4 equal parts, okay, each part is called quarter or 1/4 of the whole. Okay, 1/4 of the whole. Suppose this circle is divided into 4 parts, so this shaded part is called quarter or 1/4 of it. Same this triangle is divided into 4 parts and this shaded part is called 1/4. And if we divide something into 4, if we divide in 4 equal parts and take 2 or 3 parts, then we will say 2/4 or 3/4. In this, we shade 2 parts of this figure, so we take 2 of 4th, means 2/4. Here 3 parts are shaded, so we call 3/4 or 3/4 in mathematical like this. Now exercise 8.2, look at the pictures below. Write the part shaded in words and figures. Now first figure, half of this circle is shaded, so they write half and 1/2. In this, half portion is shaded, so we will write half and mathematical 1/2. Now this oval is divided in 4 parts and one part is shaded, so 1/4. Okay, 1/4 means 1/4. Here this triangle is divided into 1, 2, 3, 4 parts and 2 parts are shaded, so 2/4. Here 3 parts are shaded, so we will write 3/4, 3/4. Now 1/8. What is 1/8? If we divide something in 8 equal parts, then each part is called 1/8. Exercise 8.3 is same as exercise 8.2. In 8.2, the figure is divided into 4 parts. Here the figure is divided in 8 equal parts except 1. 1 is divided into 4 parts, so we will write 1/4 or 1/4. 1/4. Now this circle is divided into 8 equal parts and only 2 are shaded, so we will write 2/8 means 2/8. Okay, same process we have to use in every question. Okay, you can do the other parts of this exercise. Now what is numerator and denominator? there is a fraction 4 by 11. In 4 by 11, the upper number, the number written in above is called numerator, and the number written below the line, this line, is called denominator. So here numerator is 4 and denominator is 11. Exercise 8.4. Read the fraction and write them in words. First, the fraction is 7 by 9. Now we have to write them in words. So 7 is numerator and 9 is denominator. So first we have to write the numerator upper, means 7, as number name, and in denominator we have to use th. If the number numerator is 2 or greater than 2, then we will write as ninths, and if the number is 1, then we only write th, means ninth. Second, 7 by 11, so we will write 7 elevenths. 7 elevenths. 4 by 7, 4 sevenths. 1 by 10, 1 tenth. Okay, you have to do all 12 parts of this question. Part B. Write the numerator, denominator and the fraction for the colored part in each. First, this circle is divided into 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 part. Okay. Now we have to write how many in numerator and denominator. First, this circle is divided into 8 part and 4 are shaded. So fraction is 4 by 8. Okay. So numerator is 4 and denominator is 8. Okay. Total parts are denominator and shaded parts are numerator. Here shaded parts are 4, so we will write 4, and total parts are 8, so we will write 4 by 8. Okay. Here the shaded parts are only 3 and total parts are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 5, 10. So 3 by 10 is the answer. In C, fill in the blanks with N for numerator and D for denominator. In 5 by 7, 7 is denominator, so we will write D because 7 is right under the line. Okay, in fraction. In 11 by 7, 17 is also denominator. Third, in 1 by 2, 1 is numerator because it is written in above the fraction part. Okay, 1 by 2. 4 by 9, 4 is numerator. Okay, you have to do all 9 parts of this question. C. Now exercise 8.5. Write what fraction of the whole is shaded. We have to write the fraction of the whole is shaded. Shaded portion. This circle is divided into 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 parts and only 2 are shaded. So fraction is 2 by 8. This triangle is divided into 4 equal parts and only 2 are shaded. So fraction is 2 by 4. In this square is divided into 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 equal parts and 4 are shaded. So we will write 4 by 8. Okay. Fourth, all 4 parts are shaded, so we will write 4 by 4. Okay. So you have to do all these parts first to 12. Okay. You have to write only fraction. Now B part, color a part of each whole to represent the given fraction. Now the fraction is given and we have to shade the portion according to fraction. In A part, the shaded portion is given, we have to write the fraction. Here the fraction is given and we have to shade the portion. Now 5 by 10. 5 by 10 means we have to shade 5 parts out of 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 parts are there and these are 5. Any 5 portion you can shade. Not first 5, any 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, any of your choice. I have shaded these 5 parts of this figure. So 5 by 10. And second, 6 by 8. There are 8 parts and we have to shade the 6th part out of 8. Okay. Now this shading you have to do with yourself. You can use any color to shade the portion. Okay. You have to do first 9 questions of this part. Okay. Only 9. You have to do all these exercise in book only. Okay. First 2 exercise 8.5. Okay. Only in book. Thank you.